paying with PayPal on Alibaba is very easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with PayPal on Alibaba. So for that we are at the Google and we will go to the Alibaba shopping and then we will go to the Alibaba's website. So I'm just gonna go to the store. So for that, I will just go to home decor. Suppose if I want to buy the home decor, so I'm just gonna do this randomly, and it should open up the Alibaba store. Now here, let me tell you, there are some stores or there are some retailers who will accept PayPal while other won't. So while buying, make sure to ask them if you will pay, if you will accept using the PayPal, and they will tell you if they will or not. So suppose if I want to buy these mugs, so I'm just gonna open it up. It should open up a new page. Here, as you guys can see, I can see the captivities. Like I can actually start the order request. So we are not actually buying directly from the website. We're actually buying from the retailer through the website. So you have to contact the supplier and ask him if you accept PayPal. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this really helpful.